Punjab, a land of rivers, fields, and skies that echo with wings. From city gardens to forest edges, birds thrive in every corner. Over 450 species call Punjab home, some nesting, some passing through on ancient flyways. The vibrant kingfisher, the shy owlet, the singing preenias, the majestic raptors. Each bird a story, each call a reminder of our shared world. Punjab, a paradise for birds. From whispering preenias in the grass to the bright nests of weavers, from the cheerful calls of bulbuls and finches to the stealthy climb of woodpeckers and tree creepers. We have it all: sparrows, pigeons, owls, vultures, and soaring eagles, wetland waders, desert dwellers, and forest singers, all in one province. But these habitats are vanishing fast. Let's act to protect every nest, every call, every feather, because to save their habitat is to save Punjab's soul.